In the midst of climate change being the most pressing issue of the day, the pressure to make conscious decisions is greater than ever. Oftentimes, and often reported, we see issues affecting the world that seem too grand to tackle or too complex to fix. The issue? With this line of thinking, at what point will individual responsibility be addressed? At what point can a small change lead to a greater impact? At what point does an idea become a ripple? Something as insignificant as a pad can lead to a vicious cycle of unimaginable damage affecting our landfills, our rivers, and ultimately, our environment. And the footage you see on the screen are just snapshots of a global problem. But conscious decisions are few and far between in a market that is comprised of roughly 3.7 billion people, or more specifically, 3.7 billion women who all share a common problem, a common need, a need that is menstrual care. We see a market that outweighs the number of drivers, smartphone users, but is ultimately underserved. In the last century, innovation in the female hygiene market has been fundamentally lacking. Apart from the Diva Cup, the conventional pad will stay in this landfill for my lifetime, your lifetime, and our kids' lifetimes. Some estimates put it up as high as 1,000 years. Over the past 2 years, we've transformed an idea into an innovative product aimed at bringing change, at creating that ripple we talked about earlier. To give women the ability to make conscious decisions, to buy and promote their values, to buy and promote the first completely biodegradable hemp pad. And we'd like to introduce to you our pad, our passion project, Hemp Pact. As the name suggests, our goal is to utilize hemp, more specifically hemp stock, that would otherwise be thrown out and classified as waste. Alberta is one of the largest hemp producers in Canada. In fact, 41% of Canada's hemp supply is produced here, in our home. Because of the absorbent properties and biodegradability, using hemp has allowed us to build a product that uses waste in order to reduce waste. By repurposing the stock, we made a pad that is biodegradable in just 6 months. The softened hemp fills the inside of the pad, acting as the main absorbent property. The top and bottom layers of the pad are made entirely out of biodegradable plastic. And we've added this biodegradable plastic polymer on the bottom layer to make the pad completely waterproof. All in all, hemp as a result is 3 times more absorbent than its cotton counterpart. It's more flexible and uses 94% less water. To put that into perspective, the traditional pad requires 20,000 liters of water per kilogram of cotton. By contrast, Hemp Pack uses hemp, which is only 1,600 liters of water. That conserves 20 years of drinking water per person. This was made possible through our partnerships, most notably with Natural Fiber Technologies, a local company that processes the raw hemp and refines the texture to our needs, as well as key professors like Dr. Jane Batchelor, who helped us utilize the refined hemp to retrofit to a contemporary pad. And finally, Dr. Michael Serpe, who helped us engineer a bioplastic that is completely biodegradable, a first of its kind in menstrual products. And with a 6-cent uptick, we're competitive. Consumers over the last 5 years show upticks in consumer willingness to pay more for a sustainable product. People are literally putting their money where their mouth is. But this isn't about money. It's about the future. And over the next year, our product will launch, with distributors starting at our university. We have a partnership already established with our Students' Union to put our pads in the hands of nearly 40,000 students as soon as this upcoming May. And as our list of distributors grow, so does our exposure. We are proud to announce a new partnership with Turkish Airlines, who will be featuring a video of our product on all flights before takeoff. It'll allow us to reach our goals for impact, and over the next year, with every user, we will have directly diverted over 300 pounds of menstrual waste. We've engineered change. We've given choice. We are proud to be a part of Enactus University of Alberta, and we're here to create lasting solutions.